I have already created a folder structure here. As you can see, I have already created a React application here. So if we go to the visual code, so as you can see, these are the src folders, public folder, node modules. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a React application, so you can go and watch this video. Okay, ReactJs environment setup. Okay, if you have some difficulties, so you can watch this video. So let's jump to our video. Okay, so here we have some unnecessary files. So what we can do, just delete this unnecessary files. So let's delete these files. Okay, so first of all, we don't need any setup.test.js file. Okay, and report vital on also app.test.js file. So simply we have to delete these files because we don't need anymore. Okay, so I'm just okay. So right now also we don't need any logo. So also we can delete this. So let's jump to the code editor. Okay, so here we have only these three files: app.css, app.js, index.css, index.js. So let's make a component folder also so that it would be easy for us. Okay, so let's make a components folder. Okay, so in this components, what we can do, let's make a age calculator. Okay, calculator uh, dot js. Okay, and also just make age calculator dot css. Okay, so these two files you have to make under component folder. So let's restructure and let's see, let's start our application also. Before that, let's remove this logo also, so that we can't get any error because we have already deleted that logo file now. That's why. And also we don't need any header uh, till now, so we just we write it here like age calculator. Okay, okay, now save it. And also on the same time, what we can do, just we have to start our application at C. Okay, and the next thing what we can do, we can remove app.css also. Okay, we will write. So here, yes, we can open it in another portal or port because I have already opened for you guys or for demo purpose. Okay, so our application is loading right now. Okay, so let's jump to the files. Okay, so here what we can do next, let's see which error is coming. Okay, report vital error, I know that. Okay, so how can we remove that? Like in previous video, we just simply go to index.js file, and here as you can see in 17th line, this will call a report vital. Also at the 5th line, import report, we have to remove it. Okay, so this will solve your problem and solve your error. So let's okay. So our H1 is coming here right now. Okay. So what we can do, let's make our function. Okay, here. So how can we make our React function here? So simply you have to write React arrow function component export and press enter. So this will generate your page calculator function. Okay. So everything is all right. We have already uh, make each and every folder structure here also. Okay, so for our simple application, so let's go to the app.js, and for now let's see the output. So here each calculator is coming. So the next step is basically you have to import this component into app.js. Okay, so right now what we can do, just we have to age calculator, and if you press, this will import it also. Okay, as you can see, if you're in your case, if it is not important, then you can manually import age calculator. Okay, so till now let's see. Okay, so here as you can see here what is coming. If we go to the age calculator, if we write it here, suppose this is example. Okay, so anything you can write. So as you can see here, the age calculator is imported successfully. So our next step is basically for logic for our age calculator and our UI we have to build.